this is the start of a very exciting new chapter, so I thought I should vlog it for you guys. It's something that I've really dreamed of ever since I did my yoga teacher training, and today it's finally happening. I'm actually creating a postpartum yoga series with a fitness app that I think has helped so many people, and something that a fitness account that I actually really admire as well. So I'm so proud of this collaboration, and I thought I should take you guys with me for the behind the scenes so you can see everything we did to build this for you. Just left the house. Today's day 1. I have made some matcha. This looks like Starbucks, but it's not. It's actually their it's not the takeaway cup. It's something that you can buy. I think it was sent to me in PR, so I don't know if you can still get it in stores. And I've got a couple of change, some makeup. I tried a new makeup technique, and I will be sweating throughout the day today, so I want to see if my makeup will last. This is what my makeup looks like. So they're just setting up the space. Oh my god, I love it. Look how cute. We've got all of the equipments from Kosha. We've got Kosha mats, which are my favorite. Bolsters from Kosha as well. This one is upside down. And I love the background. This is the other side where they do all the workouts. So we have Roshali and Tanvi doing it with us. That's Puneet and Nikita.
You have to be आपको वो बनना है जो देवश्री को देख के प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. समझो मैं टीवी में देख के प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं देवश्री को कैसा एक्नॉलेज करूँगा? Like if she's saying something, I will look at her and I will nod, and I will smile, then I will cut her.
This is the first class. Bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep breath in, inhale, and exhale through your mouth. Just got done with the shoot, and first checking up on how my skin looks. I think it worked really well. I'm going to film what I did. Also, I'm so exhausted, but today was a really exciting day, and we shot 2 episodes and we have 10 more to go. Inner corners of your feet will remain together, and we'll only use our knee and lift up the knee. It's day 3, and today we are amping up the intensity just a little bit. So happy that I get to be a part of something like this, and it's very exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see. I just got out. Today is a Monday actually, so we have lots of traffic, which means I get a lot of time to actually plan out the flow. I have them all in my head, and sometimes I feel like I should have just made like a nice little flow. But even if I write things down, when we're actually on the mat, I truly then decide, seeing how the girls are doing, what their energy levels are like, and then I just change the flow. I go with X in mind, and then the flow is just Y. So and I actually really like it that way. There's no rigidity to it, and everyone can have something new every day. So yeah, that's the agenda today. It's definitely going to be a little bit more like a longer day today, because we're doing 3 episodes. We've been doing 2 episodes per day, and today is going to be 3 episodes, which I'm very excited about. So I was just thinking if I should make it an intense one, a really chill one, and then another intense one, or if I should do like intense and then another intense and then a chill one. Again, we'll see what the energy is like. Yeah, so it's actually very exciting. I'm so happy that I get to be a part of something like this, and it's very exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see.